Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Living Life Barefoot. We are in the middle of a tornado watch.
We've been under tornado or thunderstorm watch or warning every day for like 3 or 4 days in a row now. This is the second round that's come through today. So it's been crazy in the Midwest.
Today's video, we are going to share with you
Replacing a pool liner, something we've never done.
So we've had the pool for, gosh, Gavin's 13 and we got it when he was, what, 5 or 6?
Yeah.
And we haven't had really any problems with the pool at all.
The liner is shot right now.
This is the year.
Yeah.
So the liner's like ripped out of one whole side. So right now we're currently draining the water out. Corey started that this morning.
And Mother Nature's filling it back up.
Gotta love it.
You guys gonna meet my crazy family tomorrow. They're gonna come up here and help us install the liner.
I thought you were gonna say crazy mom.
Okay, my mom is crazy. Alright, you're gonna have to edit all that out.
I'm not.
Love you, Mom. You'll see her on camera tomorrow. Anyway, I've watched some videos on how to do a pool liner.
Now we're gonna make a video.
And they make it look really easy. So, we shall see.
As long as it stops raining, we'll get it drained.
So it was full this morning when I started pumping about 9 o'clock. So it's been pumping most of the day. I rented this trash pump. It has a 2-inch outlet on it. So we got 100 foot of hose that runs all the way around the front of the house, and it's all draining downhill out to the ditch out front. So
this should be an interesting video. I'm sure it's going to be more entertaining than the videos that you watched.
Probably.
Since we've never done it before.
I just hope it goes smooth.
Alright. We're going to start hopefully tomorrow morning.
See you in 12 hours.
Well, we just got a tornado warning and it started raining harder. So the pool is
filling back up,
draining and filling up at the same time.
Ain't gonna get blown away.
We just lost power too. It came back on, so gotta love this weather. I am very fearful of storms. Absolutely hate them. I've been in 2 scary situations with tornadoes, which I think is why. Oh, what I do?
That may be a good reason.
Huh?
That would be a good reason.
We're getting there. All right, we have reverted to using buckets to get the last little bit out of the pool. How long has this pump been running?
2 days.
Forever. I don't know. Since 9 o'clock yesterday morning, and it's like 4 o'clock in the evening right now.
Do you highly recommend using one of those pumps?
No, it's terrible.
Use your,
Maybe for like the first half.
yeah,
It seemed like the first half went faster. Now, we did get like 5 inches of rain last night as well, so that didn't help.
no, that doesn't didn't help.
We are so close, yet so far away.
Yeah, we still need to.
Dylan, you're doing a really good job helping.
Well, we're in another bucket, so I'm just filling in the pool.
Moral support.
There's the rip. It's actually gotten worse since the water's gone down.
Come here now. This side's not. Oh, very cool.
Okay,
Oh,
here's the update.
Like that.